here at Rachet's with my sisters. Do you want to be in it? Oh, Chrissy doesn't want to be in it. If you are a person that is just the negative Nelly, invite yourself off. Unsubscribe and get out of our way.
But if we go down to your toes, why are they so big? I thought King David killed Goliath, but when I looked down, I was like, damn boy.
Goliath, he resurrected. Hi guys, so you guys are probably getting so sick of seeing me like just woken up, but I've been awake since 6 o'clock and it's 3 hours later. And Aussie has gone to work. I've got the day off, and so I'm going to clean our house because we're going to Sydney next Tuesday for a whole week. As you know, Becca is coming to Sydney, which is Aussie's little brother. You would probably remember him from either the Sevens or Samoa vlogs, which Aussie was in. So him and Aussie are really close, and obviously Aussie wants to go and see his brother, but we were going to do the trekking forth, like back and forth again, as we did last year. We went up and kept driving back down. We didn't stay in Sydney, and that's because we couldn't justify spending so much money on a hotel. And we were going to do that again today because hotels in Sydney are like crazy expensive, at least like 700 up for a decent hotel, and in the city as well. But then I thought about it and I was like, you know, like this is Siosi's brother who usually lives in Samoa. If he's going to be coming to Sydney, then we need to be there. Like we need to be there to support him and to take him around, show him around. So we're not even from Sydney, but if you guys who live in Sydney want to jot down some ideas, or you know, meet us or come and say hello to us. If you see us around, please don't be shy. Come and say hello, come take some photos, be in the vlog, because we'll surely have our camera everywhere we go. But I have organized some Luna Park tickets so that we can take Becca to Luna Park. I haven't ever been to Luna Park either, so I don't know what the heck I'm doing or where to go. I just wanted to give an update to you guys. I have almost lost 20 kilos in my weight loss journey. That is amazing. 20 kilos in like about 5 to 6 weeks. I have been super strict. I have not cheated. Well, I only cheated once, and that was on my birthday, but that was hardly even a cheat. I had sweet potato chips, but still that's carbs to me, and it's still a cheat day, so I had a cheat day. But I have been super strict because I am so determined that this is my year to get healthy. This is my year to have kids. This is my year to just be a better version of me for everybody, for myself, for my family, and especially for my husband. Good evening, guys. So I finished vacuuming the house and just got ready because I'm a little snack. Aussie came home for his break to eat and he's gone again. So I'm about to duck out and get Becca some stuff. Some shoes, which I had a look online, so I might just drive around. I feel a bit lonely. I wish one of my sisters had the day off so that we could drive together, but that's not the case, so I have to go by myself. And then when Aussie gets home, we're gonna have dinner with one of my cousins who came from New Zealand, so hopefully you guys can come along. But if you don't see the rest of my day, then just appreciate my look, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Have not, you know, glammed up my face in such a long time, and I just feel so beautiful. Thumbnail. Eddie is like conking out. You can tell by the way he's looking. Evan's already sleeping. Don't worry. We're getting a car seat. My mom's getting the car seat, so relax your sacks, okay? Say hi. How are you? Hi. My name's Eddie. Yes. You say, I'm Eddie. Yes. Yeah. Say hi, mommy. Hi, Bubby. I love you. Aww, you cute. Slowly going, guys. You ain't gonna see it any longer.
Emergency warning has been issued in Victoria for several towns near the Timbara bushfire in East.
So guys, we're here at dinner. I'm here at Rachet's with my sisters. Do you want to be in it? Oh, well, Chrissy doesn't want to be in it again. And Sia's here with Eben. And Aussie's gone to the car to get something, so he'll be back shortly. And I'm still on my diet, so I won't have anything, you know, too carby. Let's look at the menu together. We've got Georgie boy here. Georgie boy. What are you eating? Yeah.
Some guys with chips. Yeah, rest day. Restaurant. Enjoy the dinner tonight. Thank you guys.
We'll show you guys our food when it comes out. Oh my gosh, can we just appreciate my look right now? What's up guys, it's your girl Molly and I'm back at it again with another video. I am here chilling at Rachet's with my sisters and I just really wanted to say and talk about something, you know, like I just want to say, because I'm not sure, you know, this society, I don't know why, and please, if you are a person that is just the negative Nelly, I'm just going to ask you, invite yourself off, okay? Unsubscribe and get out of our way. Because this society, you know, when I see somebody rising up, girl, please, don't be a hater. You know what I mean? You just gotta be an appreciator. I'm just gonna address it and be real because, you know, your Molly girl, we like to keep it real, okay? Negative Nellies, y'all welcome here. Y'all need to go get a life and get off this channel. Y'all heard? Now you're gonna come at me. Haha. Peace out.
Can I ask you a question about something very important?
What do you want to know?
I want to understand why you got some big ass.
Well, can you ask yourself that question?
But darling,
But darling, what?
your buttocks is so huge. It looks like Mount Everest. I couldn't believe it when I saw it.
You're killing us
I
all.
was like, damn.
You're killing us all.
The mountains come down there.
Molly's accent's changing. American, English, Indian.
Aye.
India. The mountains come down there.
Can I ask you another question?
No.
Why your lips look so flabby?
My husband wants these lips.
Hug me, hug me.
Of course, because you cover them. You'd be like the ocean that sucks everything in. I'll be like, dang girl, I don't know how to help you. I'm sure I should get him a towel after you kiss him because, wow, it'll be like the ocean.
Okay, Molly.
It'll be like the tsunami, like overcoming him or something.
Molly, can you stop now?
No, darling, don't do it.
No, darling, why do you have big mountains on your back?
The mountains on my back,
Why do you have big two mountains on your back
they're not two mountains.
that people can climb on? We'll be taking a day to get to the top of it.
Well, dang, if mine are
It takes you a
mountains,
year to wash your butt.
if mine are mountains, what the hell do they call your buttocks then? Can I ask you another question?
No, I'm sick of these questions.
Can I ask you another question?
What?
Why are your breath so stinky?
Molly,
When I was talking to you on the phone earlier, the connection was just so bad. I was thinking, wow,
my breath smells.
your breath smells so bad that even the connection is interfering. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Excuse
Can I ask
you.
you another question?
No, I'm sick of your questions, Molly. Who the hell do you think you are?
But if we go down to your toes, why are they so big? I thought King David killed Goliath, but when I looked down, I was like, damn, boy.
Goliath, you resurrected.
Goliath resurrected in your feet. So I was like, wow, was that reborn or something?
I appreciate my
Should they
choice
even make
because
some
that's the way that
size
God
for
made
that?
me. So just appreciate it. So why are you paying out God's creation?
I ain't.
Are you God?
I
Who are
ain't.
you to judge?
Can I ask you another question?
Stop bagging yourselves out.
Can I ask you another question?
No, you started that.
Can I ask you another question?
She called me yesterday to see what I'm doing, and this is to ask you a question. Why is your ass so big?
It's all for entertainment.
Question.
Can I ask you another question? Why are you so beautiful then? Okay guys, I want you guys to enjoy Australia Day. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely weekend. Remember to kiss your wife or your husband. Tell them that you love them. You don't know what tomorrow may not be promised. Bye.
No, we don't want bumpers, girl. We are pro. So I got these shoes. We're here at bowling now. They smell. And I'm putting on my socks. So we got Molly Girl, contender number 1. Myself, contender number 2. Aussie, number 3. Sia, Chrissy, Lipo. My cousin from New Zealand, Naomi. And her husband. I hope his name is Matt. Is his name Matt? Guys, so we're here at bowling now and they wrote Siaosi's name, Siaosi. Siaosi.
Don't you bully! Back to the bowling! Yeah. Isang chote ba ba kung ka kaya may strike lang 5 last year. Double last year.
Okay guys, so this is my cousin from New Zealand. Her name's Naomi. And that's her husband, Mike. But we accidentally got his name wrong on the bowling. So in Australia, he will be Matt. When he goes back to New Zealand, he will change his name back to Mike. And shout out
to Cordy.
Shout out Cordy.
And also to the Bournes, Andrew and Rosemar. Andrew and Rosemar.
And Andrea.
Andrew.
Oh, Andrew.
And Rosemar.
And Rosemar. Aww.
And Emily.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, guys. And Emily, thank you for your support, your love from SV Squad. And Trisha, oh, so sorry you couldn't make it, sis. Next time, okay? Next time. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Okay, I don't know what a technique is for picking a good ball, but usually I need one that is guys, it's my turn now. Thumbnail! Wait, I look fat.
Yes, mate. Shout out to our girl Patricia.
We're doing a thumbnail. So in case I didn't mention, we got the whole week off. So expect daily vlogs for the next week. Yay! Yeah! So my cousins are going to New Zealand tomorrow 6 AM in the morning, and my mummy came to drop off her gift for their baby.
Auntie, you shouldn't have. Yeah. Shouldn't have, but really. Okay. Mom, there, Mom. Hey, stay behind. Stay, yeah, okay. Ready? 3, 2. Vicky, put your camera down.
You know what? Honestly.
Good morning, Squaddy Squad. So I woke up super early today because my dear husband has gone to work. It's a Saturday and they're really busy at the moment, and so they asked him to come in today, or to go in today. And I stayed up from 6 AM. Then I got a call from Molly, of course. I was already prepared to ask if we were going to the gym. So I am going to the gym, guys. It's a body pump class. It's half an hour. I don't know what's wrong with me this morning, but I felt like, because I had some Pepsi Max, which is still no sugar, but I don't like to drink fizzy drink that much, and if I do, I like it to be sparkling water or flavored sparkling water with no sugar. And I drank Pepsi Max, which isn't bad, but it has aspartame, which is a sugar alcohol, which isn't very good for your body. I had a lot of that last night, probably about a bottle, because we went to that bowling, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna be flushing my body out with water, just water today. And I am going to train hard out. Train hard out. Look at my flowers, they're dead. So I also got Becca these slides, which I think I'm gonna have to return today because I swear I thought he was an 11 because his feet are quite small. But like slides, you don't want them to be like tight, if you know what I mean. They're just supposed to like fit snugly, and I think that these will be a bit tight on him, so I will go back and get him a 12. Of course, it's Molly girl. Hello?
Are you at the gym, girl?
No, I'm just leaving now.
Oh, bye.
Bye. I gotta go, guys. So I woke up from a nap not long ago. I had so many plans to go here and there, but Aussie and I ended up staying home all day when he got home from work. And I've just been watching Netflix and I feel like an ice cream, but because I'm on a diet, I just got a cup of ice to try and keep me cool. Aussie and I are about to go for a drive, and yeah. So I'm currently getting ready for church, and I just want to get up on here and show you guys my top. I'm ready for church now. I don't know if you can tell, but I have been so hyped since I've been dieting and losing weight. It just goes to show that when you eat well and you eat good and clean and you start to better yourself physically, mentally, spiritually, it all just begins to come together and you just begin to be a happier person, and like happiness and joy just starts oozing out of you, and it's just such a wonderful feeling, such a great feeling, guys.
Guys, we just plan to go